Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. Happy New Year, everybody. January 2nd. I didn't get a chance to put out a video yesterday. Today's video is just going to be kind of a little quick daily vlog. I just have kind of a prediction or a little bit of an insight for 2019 that we'll talk about in a minute. One thing completely off subject. I was thinking about, I don't know why, every once in a while I kind of get sick of having long hair. I was thinking about chopping my hair and going back to cutting like everything off, buzzing it, or going back to short hair. So let me know, yay or nay, should I or not? But moving on, I think 2019 is going to be the year of the micro influencer. Influencer marketing has been hot for a number of years, very, very big in 2018. Despite the popularity, I think influencer marketing is still probably one of the best bangs for your buck. I think if done right, your money will go a lot further than it will through AdWords or Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Pinterest ads or anything else. But I think 2019 is going to be the year of the micro influencer. What I mean by that, I think advertisers are going to quit offering insane money to big influencers. Maybe the Kim Kardashians and the celebrities will continue to get business, but like the Instagram accounts with 1 million, 2 million subscribers, who right now are getting like really, really big money through influencer ads, I think they're going to kind of start to dwindle down. A lot of the mega YouTubers who are making big money off sponsored posts and things like that, we're talking like thousands, if not even tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands for one single post. I think that's going to be coming to an end. I just don't think the ROI is there for big brands. If I pay XYZ YouTuber with 500,000 subscribers $10,000 to do some social media post, I don't think that I'm going to get that $10,000 back in sales just from a post. However, on the micro influencer side, I think if you start taking all that money that you would have paid to one single influencer who may not even have that much engagement or who may not even be that targeted towards your niche or your customers, if you take that same amount of money or even a fraction of that money and dole it out to dozens or even hundreds of smaller micro influencers, if it were up to me, if I were running a campaign, I would skip the guy with 100,000 subscribers and I would pay 10 people with 10,000 subscribers or followers, or 20 people with 5,000 subscribers or followers, or 100 people with 1,000 subscribers. A lot of times it's the smaller channels who actually have a much more engaged audience. A lot of these people with the mega channels, like people follow you just because you got 1 million subscribers, or people follow you and then kind of forget about you. A lot of times it's these small channels where people are actually engaged with what the person is doing. So I think you have a much better chance of that relationship between the influencer and their audience converting into somebody visiting your website. I got hair in my mouth. Or taking their advice and buying whatever product's being pitched. So I think 2019 is going to be the year of the micro influencer. Another kind of trend that I see happening in 2019, I think when it comes to social media and influencers, like everybody and their mom wants to be an influencer in this day and age, right? Like the #1 occupation for kids is like YouTuber, Instagrammer. But I think amongst people, I think you have two sets of people. I think you have some people who have a big reach on social media and maybe have a following and are in a niche, but they don't necessarily view themselves as influencers. They're not somebody who would really be reaching out, trying to get brand deals and things like that. And then you have other people who, some of them may have no following, some of them may have huge followings, but they actually view themselves as an influencer. They're out there actively trying to connect with brands and get money and get free products. And I think we have these two distinct groups of people. And I think something that we're going to start seeing in 2019 is kind of emerging, where it's not just going to be the influencers who are actually getting influencer gigs. I think we're going to start seeing brands reaching out to smaller creators with smaller audiences who maybe would probably never themselves reach out and try to get a brand deal, or who never view themselves as an influencer. I think we're going to see a lot more of them entering the influencer market. And I'm already starting to see a lot of new startups, a lot of new websites, a lot of new apps where that's kind of the focus, right? They're kind of getting away from the big influencers who view themselves as influencers, and they're like, hey, everybody who's on Instagram, come on over here, sign up, link your accounts, talk about products you love, and with these you're kind of making peanuts. But we'll let you make a little bit of money, or we'll let you get a kickback on products that people buy, or maybe some brands will give you free products. But I'm seeing a lot more platforms popping up that are really kind of aiming to bring in the influencers who don't think of themselves as influencers. So that's my thought for the day. I think 2019 is going to be the year of the micro influencer. Let me know your thoughts on that. Drop a comment down in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. Happy 2019 to everybody. Make it a good one. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.